In today's news, now is the time to buy Bitcoin, according to Kiyosaki. Cardano is in trouble. Visa moves toward its own crypto wallet. Hackers create new mode of theft. Binance Coin price prediction. Solana investors should know this. Welcome to Crypto Space. In today's video we compile the most relevant news in the crypto world, so subscribe to be informed every morning. Now is the time to buy Bitcoin, according to Kiyosaki. The complex U.S. and global economic situation has motivated billionaire Robert Kiyosaki to offer his perspective on that scenario in the future, so he called on people to buy Bitcoin, BTC, before the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, raises interest rates. The advice from the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is due to the fact that when interest rates are raised by the Fed, people tend to save, which decreases the appetite for risky investments, such as Bitcoin, for example. The price of Bitcoin, as it happened last month when the Fed increased interest rates by 0.75%, registered a 7.26% drop, as reported by CryptNewws. In the event that rates are not increased, consumers perceive that inflation is under control and they no longer have to incentivize savings, so people return to buying digital assets, which can point to spikes in the price of digital assets. For Kiyosaki, a further increase in interest rates will kill the economy and end up wiping out stocks, bonds and real estate. Cardano is in trouble. Twice bitten, never shy. That was the aura oozing from Cardano's founder as he called for Dogecoin to become his sidechain. Known for his outspoken nature, Charles Hoskinson had initially suggested that if Doge agreed to be Ada's sidechain, he would process the integration for free. He even went further by saying he would include smart contracts for the meme cryptocurrency. After there was almost no response from Dogecoin, Hoskinson posted another tweet. In the most recent one, on October 29, he took a poll. In the poll, he asked the Cardano community whether the project should launch Twitter, the sidechain offering, all integrated with the social network. All of Hoskinson's requests came as Elon Musk sealed the purchase via Twitter. Musk has never hidden his support for Dogecoin. Therefore, it might be the reason why that the ADA founder included a Twitter clause in his offer. With positives emerging from both camps, it was not out of the question whether Hoskinson was desperate for a Twitter and Doge alliance. On the capacity side, he was unsure if ADA was up to the task. This was because it had only risen 2.84% in the last 24 hours. On the other hand, rallied more than 127% over the previous 7 days. According to CoinMarketCap, Doge had even outperformed ADA by market value. Without, however, price correlation alone would mean bias without considering other parts of the ADA chain. At the time of publication, ADA development activity had increased to 128. This increase implied that ADA might be shipping new features to accommodate new strings in its network. Despite the improvement, I was not sure that Doge would accept the proposal. Nor did he prove that ADA could sustain the meme on his network. Visa is moving toward its own crypto wallet. That's according to a filing made by the company with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. It would also include support for other crypto assets. Visa is moving toward creating its own cryptocurrency wallet, according to a filing the company made with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO. United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO. Through the document, the multinational company specified that the wallet would have its desktop version as well as online. From the same file, it appears that Visa could be interested in working within the metaverse universe. Currently, more than half a dozen local and foreign companies offer Visa and MasterCard debit cards to pay with cryptocurrencies: Lemon, Buenbit, Bello, Decrypto, Satoshi Tango and Let's Bit from Argentina, and Binance from abroad. The most frequent use is by users who make their purchases in pesos to receive Satoshi's portions of Bitcoin for each purchase. These users use Bitcoin as a backup currency in case they do not have sufficient funds in pesos, while they generate weekly crypto earnings by storing their assets in the app. The second most frequent use case is users who make their purchases directly in stable cryptocurrencies. Alejo Blasco, Director of Communications at Lemon, told Talong. Hackers create a new form of theft. The cryptocurrency ecosystem is full of stories in which very simple mistakes can result in the loss of large amounts of money, and sometimes it only takes overlooking a small typing detail to put a digital currency portfolio at risk. This is well known by hackers and malicious people, which is the main reason why users should be very careful with the domains where they download applications and programs of interest, even if they may look very similar to the official ones. Typo squatting and phishing. A report published by the cybersecurity firm SEEL, which reveals that hackers have set up a network of domains infected with malware, and try to take advantage of inaccuracies that are sometimes overlooked when typing in the address of a given website to prey on victims and steal their cryptocurrencies. This practice is known as typo squatting, and takes advantage of unnoticeable typing errors in fraudulent domains that mimic others to mask campaigns of phishing campaigns through a variety of mechanisms. According to the report in question, the aforementioned network comprises cloned websites of well-known platforms, which differ by only one character from the originally intended address originally contemplated. Here they place special emphasis on emulating stores and services such as Google, Nasdaq, Google Play Store, AppCure and APK Combo, which users can download apps for their mobile devices or computers. Binance Coin price prediction. Since hitting a new yearly low in June, the price of Binance Coin, BNB, has risen dramatically. Demand has been activated for the altcoin after the broader market began to register a recovery. Still, since reaching an all-time high of $692 in May 2021, the price of BNB has been declining. June 2022 saw an annual low of $183 as a result of this decline. However, it is important to note that on the daily chart, the RSI indicator has not yet risen beyond 50. The nearest long-term resistance level at $427 would be reached if the current trend continues. In late January 2021, Binance Coin joined the cryptocurrency market boom, rising from $40 to $330 in a single month. BNB's price fell in March, trading for a time in the $250 to $300 region, but in April it began to rise again quickly, reaching an all-time high of $690.93 on May 10. Consider this: in January 2021, the Binance Coin BNB price was $40. However, 2021 also saw a significant incline in the price of BNB, which allowed it to $690 on the price charts. In fact, this was its highest price level in 2021. Solana investors should know this. Solana has been in the spotlight for its NFT space for quite some time now. Solana Daily, a Solana-focused Twitter identifier, recently published a tweet about the same. The tweet also mentioned all the major developments that happened in its NFT ecosystem over the past week. Some notable developments included Bonfida integrating with Notifi Network. This new integration brought with it several new features, such as new and improved alerts, which are now easier to use. In addition, another major update was that trading the Solana collection became free on Solanart NFT. Interestingly, Solana's third quarter looked extremely promising for the Solana NFT ecosystem as it experienced considerable growth. Between July to September, the total number of new daily NFTs on the network increased by 19.3%, which was commendable.